You're so beautiful, you're tall. I'm afraid to say anything for fear that you'll stop. Half the time I'm planning my seduction. Half the time I'm planning my escape. Half of me really wants to move in closer. The other half thinks that might scare you away. But you're so beautiful when you speak. Not just the words, but the way they blow over trees. When it's all said and done, I really wonder if I ever have a chance with you at all. As I walk next to you, I wonder if I'm floating like a goddess on the street. Is that how you see me?